Okay, let's dive into one of the most powerful financial concepts out there, compound interest. So, what if your money could actually earn its own money? That's the basic idea here.
It's basically interest on your interest. It creates this awesome snowball effect over time. Let's see how. Now, this formula is the key. And don't worry, it's way simpler than it looks.
So these four variables are all you need. Let's plug them into a real-world example.
Okay, let's take a problem right from our source. What happens to 7,500 rupees in 2 years? First up, we just identify our principal, time, and rate. Then we plug them into the formula. And boom, after 2 years, that's your total. But how much of that is just the interest? Finding the interest is super easy. Just subtract what you started with from what you ended with. And there you have it, 927 rupees earned without lifting a finger. That's the magic.
But wait, this formula is more flexible than you think. You can actually work backwards with it. Yep, you can work backwards to find the initial amount, the interest rate, or even the time. So say you want to hit 3,630 rupees in 2 years. The math shows you need to start with 3,000. Or what if you want to grow 2,000 into this amount? Well, you'd need a 5% interest rate. But what if interest is calculated more than once a year? That's when things get really interesting. For half yearly, it's a simple tweak. You just cut the rate in half and double the time periods.
Let's try it out. What's the interest on 4,000 rupees for 1.5 years compounded semi-annually?
See that? The interest is a bit higher because it compounded more often. It's a small but powerful difference.
You know, this formula isn't just for money. Its applications are literally everywhere. For example, it can model industrial growth, predicting future production based on a constant growth rate. Or it can work in reverse to show how an asset loses value. You know, depreciation.
And believe it or not, it can even be used to predict how populations will change over time. So the key takeaway is that compounding turns time into your most powerful asset. It's huge. So now that you get the formula for growth, what will you choose to compound?